Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you $1 million trick by which you can conduct Zoom meeting more than 5 minutes without any restriction, and it's completely free. You know, when you start a Zoom meeting, usually after 40 minutes your meeting get disconnected automatically, and then you have to wait for 10 minutes to reconnect it again. And obviously if you are having an online class, a meeting, or any business meeting, obviously it's really a distraction, it's a problem. And you know, Zoom is a very powerful software. You can record videos in it, and there are a lot of good options which you do not find in Google Meet, which is free. So let's start Zoom. So first, obviously, you have to download Zoom from the Play Store, and then I'll just open the Zoom which I've already downloaded. Now the first screen you see like this, then you have to click on sign in, and this is a very simple step. You need to put your email address, and then you need to sign in. So this is a simple thing which you usually do. Now I'll click on this launch Zoom. Okay. Till here, most of the people know that we have these tabs, meeting here, join, schedule, and all these. And if we click on meeting, then we can start our meeting here. Either we use our personal or we use a temporary link. So for this particular method, which I'm teaching you, that you can use Zoom more than 40 minutes, you have to follow all the instruction, because later on the comments, people are writing that it's not working. I am assuring you it's 100% working, and it's very handy, and a lot of people get benefit from it. I made a video on how to do it on a laptop, and I'm telling you how to do it on a mobile. So I'm just clicking cancel right now. So the first step was to log in, which you might already have, and then you need to click on more, and then you can see here that when you log in, you see here your name. So you need to click on this, and then you need to scroll all the way down until you get here switch account. Then you need to click on this. After you click this, you will find an option in the bottom, add account. So click on this add account, and then obviously if you want to log in with another account, because for this particular trick you need two accounts at least. So I'll click on continue with Google, and now I have already my account here, so I'll simply click on that. Otherwise you can always click on use another account, and then obviously you can write your email and password. And if you have not logged in your account, though, you need to sign up. So I'll just click on my email address, and then obviously it's asking for login. But if it's your first time and you are logging in, then they will ask you to sign up. So obviously you can simply sign up by putting the basic information. So I'll click on continue. They will ask for the password, but since I have already logged in, so they are not asking, and I'll click launch. Now if I click on this symbol now again, you can see, if I scroll all the way down and click on again switch account, I have two accounts here which you can see. So now the trick is start here. What you need to do here, that let me back to my main layout. Now this is my main layout. Now I want to start a meeting, so I'll click on meeting first, and then obviously I recommend to use your personal meeting ID, because in this way you can send a link to some particular person, and that person can follow it. Whenever that person will click on that link, it will automatically connect. You need not to generate. But if you are dealing with different classes, you can or different people, then you can just disable it and start a meeting. That's also, but I recommend this. So I'll start the meeting. Now my meeting is started, so I'll just click here and to copy the link. So I'm clicking here, and then obviously when I press and hold here, it will copy the link. Otherwise, you can see here that you have a meeting ID and a password. You can share this as well. But right now I'm just pressing and holding here this, and you can see when I press and hold, it says that the link is copied. So now what I will do, I will open my WhatsApp and send this link to the person whom, for example, if I'm taking an online class, so I will share that link to that particular person, or if we have a group of student, let's say grade 10, so I will share this link with grade 10. Now this is my first step. After this, I'll go back and I'll go back again, and I have to end this meeting. So I'll click on end meeting and meeting for. So this is my first step. Now the second step, I'll click on more here on the bottom side. I have again to click here and scroll all the way down again and click on switch account. And after clicking on switch account, I'll now select my second account. I have already shared the link of my first account. So now I'll click on the second account. So as soon as I click on my second account, again I'll click on meeting. Then again I'll choose my personal ID, start a meeting. And then again I'll click here to copy the link. So I click here and again press and hold on this particular tab, and you can see that the link is copied. Now I'll share this link as well to that particular class or particular group of where I'm doing business, or I'm conducting any sort of meeting. So I'll click. So I have shared actually two links. I hope you have understood till here. Now what I need to do, I have to end this meeting as well. Okay, so now both the meetings are ended. I have shared the link. Now what I'll do, I'll click on more, click here again, and now click on switch account, and now you can see that my this account is active. So you need not to switch account, but just to see that this account is active, the first one, right? So what I'll do, for example, if I have shared the link with someone and now I want to start the meeting. Now here comes the final result. Whatever options I have used and I have done, I've added two accounts. Now it's a time to get the fruit of it. So now I will have meeting more than 40 minutes without any restriction. What I have to do, the trick is that I'll click on the meeting, and and this is already copied, and since I have shared this link, so obviously whenever the person click on this, the meeting will, he can join the meeting. So I'll click on start meeting. Okay, now my meeting is started, and for example, if I'm taking online class, my class will start, and right after 40 minutes it will automatically disconnect. I'm disconnecting right now just for the understanding. Okay, so the meeting is disconnected. Now it will ask you to wait for 10 minutes to start the meeting. And obviously, if you are taking class, it's very annoying to wait for 10 minutes, and for the student also, or any person, if a person is waiting. So what quickly you will do, you will click here on more, you will click here, then you will scroll all the way down, quickly switch account, and now you need to select your second account. So I'll just click on the second account, then quickly click on the meeting, and then I click on meeting again and start a meeting. And now what will happen, they will not ask me to stay for 10 more minutes, or there will be no restriction. So the person whom you are having a meeting, or the group of students whom you are taking online class, you will ask, give them two links. I have shared two links, link with the name of link 1 and link 2, and you will ask them that as soon as the class ends, immediately you need to click on the second link. So in this way you can continue your class. Now in this way you can switch as many time you want, but you will not face any sort of 10 minutes restriction or any sort of restriction. So you can take extended classes more than 40 minutes, and you can having meeting. Now one thing is very important, that either you pay for the premium, you pay a lot of dollars monthly or yearly basis, and then you have time more than 40 minutes and have no restriction, or either you use this trick, because this is the best trick you can use, and believe me, it really works. I've been using it for my online classes, and it really works nice, because I have shared two links with my students, and whenever they click on their first and second link, immediately it joins. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with others. And if you have any sort of problem, feel free to drop a comment.